Hey everyone, welcome back to today's Plan With Me video. So I decided that since my planner is already starting to get thick and it's only January, I decided I was going to remove all of my 2016 months. So why not do a little planner spread flip through so you guys can see what I did from when I first transitioned back to my ERIN CONDREN from my Inkwell and how I've been planning. So I guess you can kind of see my groove that I ended up going into and finding how I like to actually plan in the vertical ERIN CONDREN. So let's go ahead and jump.